Hi, this is Debra Sasyble-Thornbrugh, and I'm going to demonstrate how to do, or start anyway, Unit number 2 for our CSIT 125 Word class. After you log in to Blackboard, in the main menu on the left-hand side, click Unit Assignments, and from this page, locate Unit 2, Formatting and Customizing Documents, 50 points. Click to open Unit 2. On the first page of Unit 2, you'll see the overview. It gives you a brief rundown of the kinds of things you're going to do in this unit, the skills that are covered, and a summary of the tasks you're going to complete. This is a little different from the first unit in that as you are reading Chapter 2, you need to read it online in the SimNet version of the textbook, because the first task here tells you that you're going to complete all of the Let Me Try tutorials within the chapter as you go. Those Let Me Try tutorials are interactive and designed to help train you to learn these new features in Word. Also, you can watch several different video clips from the links within Blackboard, which I'm going to demonstrate in just a moment. These are videos mostly that I made. And finally, you're going to complete an assigned project using Word 2016 software and then submit it into Blackboard. Note, there is no discussion to complete in this unit. So when I'm done reading this, I'm going to go back up to the top and scroll to the next page in Unit 2. This page has the detailed assignment instructions of exactly what to do. So the first thing tells you read Chapter 2 in the online SimNet version of the book. Complete all of the interactive Let Me Try tutorials as you read. You will be graded on these. You should do the Show Me and Guide Me practice tutorials first before doing each graded Let Me Try tutorial. So this explains what to look for in the online SimNet version of Chapter 2. As you read the chapter, you're going to come across these colorful buttons. The blue one says Show Me, the orange one says Guide Me, and the green one says Let Me Try. Before you start doing that, you should watch this video I've made that shows you exactly how to do these tutorials. All you have to do is click on the video link right here, and a YouTube screen will open, and it should start running the video that I recorded that shows you exactly what to do in SimNet to do these tutorials. Hi, this is Deb. Okay, so watch that video before you start to do them. If you're not used to doing these, if you've never done them before, then please do watch the video. Finally, down here, or not finally, but down here, there are links to 3 additional videos that demonstrate how to do some of the things you're learning about in this unit. Here's a video I made that shows you how to set up tabs. Here's another one I made that shows you how to insert hyperlinks to the internet into a Word document, including making text into a link and making a graphic picture into a link. And this last video is one that shows how to work with section breaks in a Word document. This is not a video I recorded myself. It's one that I happened to see on in YouTube, and I thought it was pretty good. So instead of reinventing the wheel, I decided to go ahead and link to that video just for this one piece. When you're ready to start the project, go right ahead down here where it says Do the Word Project. This is a project you're going to do from the pages of your textbook. It has step-by-step instructions on what to do. You're going to complete this one project called Independent Project 2-6, located on pages W2-122 through W2-123 in the textbook. You can follow these pages in the textbook in SimNet online, or you can follow them in the actual physical book if you happen to have one. Just make sure that it's this, that you're doing this project. It's called the Independent Project 2.6. You will need a single student data file to begin this project. This is a pre-created file to get you started, like a jumping off point. So all you have to do is click this link, and what will happen when you do that, it'll take a moment, but it'll open up Word software on your computer and it will launch that file. This is the student data file. So this is the file you're going to work with on this project, and when you follow the steps in the book, it's going to tell you to do things to this document. Remember, you may have to come up to the top and click Enable Editing right up here before your computer will let you actually work on this document. When you're done, you're going to save it as the book indicates, and then you save it to your own computer, and then you're going to upload the file to Blackboard, to here, to this area in Blackboard. There's a couple pieces of advice here. Note the following advice. When you get to step 9, you may have to do it twice. This has to do with creating a tab with a dotted line leader on it. Make sure that the leader works. Try it out before you assume anything. Sometimes it doesn't work the first time. You have to make sure you click on it correctly and do it in the right order. And then the other piece of advice is a little bit later on. The step is going to tell you to apply shading to text towards the bottom of the document, but instead you should apply the shading to paragraph, not text. Just in case the direction says text, it should say paragraph instead. When you're finished, you're going to submit your file in the link that I'm going to show you in just a moment, called Turn in Unit 2 Project File here. And here's the evaluation. The Let Me Try tutorial in SimNet that you're going to complete is worth 10 points, and the Word project is worth 40 points. So when you're ready to upload and submit your file that you did, you're going to go to this third page here in Unit 2 in Blackboard. This is the third page. It's called Turn in Unit 2 Project File here. This is the due date, September 15th. And scroll down just a little bit, and right here where it says Attach Files, you're going to click Browse My Computer. When the window comes up that shows your computer, navigate to where you saved that file, click to open that file, and it will then upload, and you can then submit it. If you have any questions about how to do Unit 2 for our class, please let me know. And also, don't forget, you can send me a copy of your file in progress and ask me specific help for that, and I can see what you're doing in your file, and I can give you some really great individualized feedback.